Welcome back, joyful little blessings, to another video. I'm sorry it's been a while. My whole family and myself, have been sick for the past several weeks, so parents, you know how that is. But I'm back with another video for you. Today we're going to learn about farm animals using this lovely wooden puzzle by Melissa and Doug. I will say that while I love puzzles, I have a bigger project that I've been working on and brainstorming that is coming soon, and it will be about speech sounds and objects with certain speech sounds and letters. So that's coming once everybody gets healthy. So let's get started. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 farm animals to learn about today. And let's start with our biggest animals at the bottom here. Horse and cow. Those are both pretty big animals in real life, and they're our biggest puzzle pieces. So let's start with the horse. So horses have manes, which is like hair on the top of their head. It goes all the way down. It comes out of their neck as well. And they have long, fluffy tails. They have long tails that are big and have lots of hair in them. And they have hooves. 4 of them. Horses can be brown like this one, or white, or gray, or black, or a cream tan color. All kinds of colors. They can be more than one color too. This horse has some spots on it. Let's find our horse puzzle piece. Oh, and of course, horses say neigh. That's right, neigh. I've been practicing my horse sound. So let's find our horse puzzle piece. Here we go. Oops. Get in there, little horse. All right, we got it. Horses are such amazing creatures. All right, now we have this cow. Cows can be like this one, where they're like brown and white or black and white with spots or splotches. Or they can be all brown or all black, and probably other colors too. They have a swishy tail. And this cow has these udders. So that means this is a girl cow, a female, because only females have udders. So she's a girl, and you can pull the udders to milk them and get milk out of them. And that's how we get cow's milk, and we drink it, and it's yummy and healthy for our bones. So this is a girl cow, and she says, "Moo, moo." That's right, cows say moo. Let's find our cow puzzle piece. There we go. Looks good. This is a well-loved puzzle. We got this puzzle used, and I'm not even sure where we got it from. All right, let's look at our cute little chicken. Our smallest puzzle piece, and our smallest animal on this puzzle board, a chicken. It says cluck, 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 or bok, 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 bok. Chickens lay eggs. And eggs are yummy too. They're also healthy for our bodies. And there's our chicken. It looks like she's sitting on a nest, sitting on some hay. Maybe she's about to lay an egg. Bok, bok, bok. Cluck, cluck. Now let's find our fluffiest animal. Here is a sheep. Look at its white wool. This one's very fluffy. And we get the wool from the sheep. We shave it off. It does not hurt the sheep. The sheep is okay. And actually, it feels good for a sheep to get the haircut. It helps it feel lighter and it doesn't have to carry around that heavy wool. And then we can make it into clothes and other things. This one looks pretty happy. The sheep says, that's right, meh, meh. Let's find our sheep. There you are. Let's go to our goat. This goat is brown with some white and black, brown spots. Goats have a little beard here and has some horns on top. And goats also have hooves. I forgot to say that sheep have hooves, I believe, and cows as well. Goats can be a variety of colors, and goats make a similar sound to a sheep. They say, meh, meh. Where's our goat puzzle piece? There it is. It fits right in. Next, we'll do our pig. This pig says oink, 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 oink. What does a pig say? Oink, oink, oink. That's right. This pig is pink. And pigs can be other colors too, like white and black with spots, or like a light brown, or even black, all black. So, pigs have a little curly tail at their back. They have a pig snout. And neat little feet. Pigs are very smart animals, and they like to wallow, like roll around and get all messy in mud. Where's our pig? There it is. Let's put that piggy right in there. There we go. Oink, oink, oink. All right, only 2 left. Let's do the duck. I love ducks. Ducks are really neat because they can swim and fly, and their feathers are waterproof. So any water that gets on this duck's feathers will roll right on off, and it won't make it wet. This duck is white, but ducks can be of many colors, like brown and gray and black and white. I've seen a beautiful black and white duck. But they also have these webbed feet and a bill. Their mouth is called a bill. All right, here is our duck. Something scratched off that poor little duck's bill. Ducks say quack, 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 quack. Ducks say quack, 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 quack. Very good. And now the last. This adorable little dog. It's brown, has a tail, its ears are going up. Some dogs' ears go down. And this one is wearing a red bandana. It looks like it's barking. Dogs say, arf, arf, arf. Arf, arf, arf. Dogs say a lot of things. They say arf, arf. They also can say woof, 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 woof. Or they can say ruff, ruff. Or bark, bark, bark. There's probably some others too I'm forgetting. But we have a lot of sounds for the noises that doggies make. What a cute little brown dog. And of course, dogs can be many other colors and sizes and shapes. Dogs are typically very friendly and nice, and they love people most of the time. They love their owners. There's our puzzle piece. Dogs say arf, arf. Farmers often have dogs on the farm to help them with various jobs like herding sheep. and probably other jobs as well. Let's go over animals one more time on our little red barn puzzle board. We have a dog, a goat, a sheep, a duck, quack quack, a pig, oink oink, a horse, a chicken, and a cow. There are some of the animals that you might find on a farm. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and I hope that you have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye-bye.